trade recap. So on open, before open, sorry, there was this 15-minute high time frame fair value gap here, which was respected and then inversed. And then because it was inversed, I was like, oh, we'll continue bullish, but this did not happen, obviously. We got a sweep of these equal highs and we turned bearish, right? Big divergence too. But the craziest thing is here, I think I can see it's going to be bearish at this point because we have poor bullish price action and then decent bearish, right? But then it's, even though the bearish is slightly better than this bullish price action, we still get the inverse, which shows, because it's inversing with very slow bullish price action, which kind of tells me we're looking to find somewhere to turn from, like an imbalance or a sweep. And here, because it's an imbalance we're already moving through, then it's a sweep. So because we then get the good price action for the sweep, we know it's a sweep, and then we get the 5-minute fair value gap, sorry, 15-minute fair value gap here, 15-minute here, 15 respected at 6 p.m. And then also, I don't think the 5-minute gets tapped. No, it doesn't. But anyways, let me go back. That's Asian lows. So we have good price action to the sweep, so we know this is the main sweep of the session. Right, boom, fatty sweep. We get the sweep, 15-minute fair value gap respected on ES with better bearish price action than it is bullish, which is a good sign that we're going to continue bearish, right? Easy as that, easy as pie. And even if I didn't want to get in on ES, there is then, oh no, that's tiny. There's the 5-minute fair value gap on NAS, but there is this fair value gap, which gets inversed here, and then re-tapped, as you can see here. So that could be the entry if you wanted the 1 minute, but we also have this fair value gap here. Oh, I didn't need to delete that. So the short would probably be if we're doing 1 minute off of bearish candle, so we get this here stops just above the high, even though we have the imbalance. Because if this imbalance gets inversed, then yeah, our position's done. And then Asian lows, as you can see, it does get up a bit, but that is just this move where, because here we don't get the tap to here, but then we get this 5-minute fair value gap created, which is very small on ES, and then we get good bearish price action, and then as you can see, price action dictates everything. It's so cool to see. We get very slow bullish price action, and then we get the little bullish burst, right? You could say, oh, we're bullish from sweeping some bottom side here, but no, you can tell from the price action that because it's such weak bullish here, and then it gives a little burst, it's literally just trying to get into an imbalance and fill it, and then boom, straight dump, right? Because this is a 5-minute fair value gap, as well as being the topmost fair value gap of that 5-minute, which doesn't get tapped, which is fucking annoying. But you literally just enter off the 5. There's that inverse, yeah, it doesn't get tapped, but you'd just be in off the 5 anyways. Or if you really wanted, yeah, it then turns. yeah, after it hits Asian lows, you wouldn't want to be getting in on this, because look at that price action out of it. Sexy time. Then, as you can see, it happens again. Really slow bearish price action, just to get back into some, like, these imbalances here, kinda. Like here to here, just to fill them, and then boom, we get the hit. Then it runs. So damn, this was a hectic London. So the position could have been here, or just the 1 minute candle in this 5 minute, because it's also like this 1 minute. And of course, this has been respected on ES. Yeah. And this is good to see that, because they were a bit diverged like that, how ES is up here and this is respecting its fair value gaps, it still works out. So that's really cool to see. But this is definitely an ES position. Is there any way to get it better on ES? Like, maybe if you didn't like the tap not over halfway, you would wait, and then you get that, and then you just get the instant inverse here. So you get the if you want to count that. That's a bit weird, because it still only gets to that halfway point. It doesn't actually sweep past it. Yeah, I gotta take some, just execute on it. Just take that shit, have the stops to account for it. And this move only happens because this was a bit diverged here. Easy as that. Okay, fuck yeah. We done?